In this video, we are going to write a given logarithmic expression into a single form. Okay, so it's very important to revise the basic rules of logarithmic functions. So we said if I have log of base b of x plus log of base b of y, this will be the same as log of base b x multiplied by y. And then if I have log of base bx minus log of base by, this will be the same as log base b x divided by y. And then if I have log of base b x to the power n, this will be the same as n log base b x. Okay, so those are the three important rules that we'll need in order to express the given logarithmic functions into single logarithmic functions. Right, so the first one here, we have on A, we have 7 ln t minus 6 ln s plus 5 ln w, like that. Okay, so the way we treat ln is the same as the way we treat a log. Okay, because ln is just a logarithmic function. So what are we going to do in this case to simplify this? Okay, we are going to raise the power. So it will be 7, not 7, it will be ln t to the power 7. Okay, so we've raised this 7 to be a power there. We're also going to raise this 6 to be a power there. We're also going to raise this 5 to be a power there. So we're going to have minus ln s to the power 6 plus ln w to the power what? 5. So that's what we're going to have. And then from there we can apply the rule for when you are subtracting two logs and when you are adding them. So the first two here, we are subtracting them. So it's going to be ln, okay, of t to the power 7 divided by s to the power what? 6. And then from there we are adding here. So we are going to say plus, we are going to say multiplied by, okay, multiplied by w to the power 5. Okay, so we can even extend this line like that. Okay, so whatever we have on top there will be the same as what we have here below. Okay, so we're just using the laws of logarithmic functions. So if you didn't watch that video, just type on your search bar, okay, basic laws of logarithmic functions, Tutor Poul solution. That video should be able to come up, and then you can watch, okay, and then you come back to this video. All right, so let's look at question B. So question B, we have 1 over 2 log z plus 1 minus 2 log x minus 4 log y minus 3 log z. Okay, so how can we simplify this and put it as one logarithmic function? Okay, so we're going to say first of all, we're going to say 1 over 2 log, and then I have z plus 1. Okay, so I noticed that the following three logarithmic functions all have a minus like that. So I'm going to say, let me factorize that minus, and then I'll put whatever I have in brackets. So it will be 2 log x plus 4 log y plus 3 log, okay, plus 3 log z, like that. Okay, so from there I can now raise the powers. So it will be log z plus 1 raised to power 1 over 2. Okay, and then here it's minus whatever I have there. So that will be minus, and then I have log x to the power 2 plus log y to the power 4 plus log z to the power what? 3. So that is what I have, and then from there I can simply apply the rule for when you are subtracting two logarithmic functions. Okay, so we are going to say that this is log. Okay, this power half here is the same as the square root of z plus 1. Then I'm going to say minus. Okay, so here inside we have three logs that are adding, so those will be log. Okay, since they have the same base. Okay, since they are adding there, we're just going to multiply x squared y to the power 4 z to the power 3. Okay, because they are adding there, so we can just multiply this, and that. All right, and then from here I have now this log subtracting this log. So what am I going to have there as my final answer? I'm going to have log, okay, base 10, because here we don't see any base, so that is base 10. So log of the square root of z plus 1 divided by x squared y squared z to the power 3. Okay, why? Because here now we are subtracting these logarithmic functions to this. So remember we said log b x minus log b y will just be the same as log b, and then we divide x by y. Okay, so now in this case our x is this root of z plus 1, and then our b, our y is just x squared y to the power 4 y z to the power 3 there. Okay, so the final answer there will be this guy here. Okay, so we are done with these questions. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. If you'd like to register for our online lessons, inbox me on the number in the description.